What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you guys have had a lovely Christmas if you happen to celebrate it. I had such an amazing time seeing my family and friends. It was really nice to have a little bit of a break and step back from social media for a couple of days. Now, as you guys can tell by today's video title, I am back with my annual What I Got for Christmas video. I have literally been doing this as a tradition on this channel since I think 2014. I am yet to miss a year, so I'm keeping the streak going. I hope you guys don't mind. I know back in the day, these types of videos were all the rage. They were so trendy and everybody was doing them. I'm not so sure if people are going to be doing them this year, but I really want to carry on the tradition. I think these videos are really cool for two reasons. First, you get to be nosy and you get to see what I got for Christmas. I honestly love finding out what people get for Christmas, just because I feel like you really get to know that person's personality based on what they receive, because obviously it's like their closest family members, just getting them gifts that hopefully they like. So perhaps by watching this video, you get to learn a little bit more about me and like my hobbies and interests off camera. And the second reason is, if you guys have got any money for Christmas from your parents or your family, I feel like you might get some ideas as to what you want to spend that money on. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And before we jump into what I got for Christmas, I actually want to give you guys something. I thought it'd be really nice to give back to you guys and basically do one grand prize winner. I thought the best thing to give away would be, of course, makeup. I feel like everybody just loves makeup and skincare. And so I'm going to be giving away a massive bundle of Charlotte Tilbury products in these gorgeous gift sets for Christmas. We have some iconic Charlotte Tilbury products in here that I honestly love, like the magic cream. It's my go-to. We've also got some other bits and bobs like this. Everything is just so beautifully packaged. As you can see, I have quite a lot of different gift sets in this giveaway, so I hope you guys will love this, whoever wins this. I feel like there is enough in here that you can keep some for yourself, but also gift some to your friends and family as well. So if you would like a chance to win this stack of Charlotte Tilbury products, literally all you have to do is just write a comment down below right now. And in the comment, I would like you guys to basically just write any of your social media handles. It could be Instagram or Twitter. It's just so that I can contact you from my verified account and just make sure you guys aren't getting scammed in the process. If you are the winner of this, please don't give away your details like your address or your phone number or anything like that to anybody but me. So make sure that if I contact you, it's from my verified account. I'll choose a winner at random in about a week's time, and I will write it in the top comment that I'll have pinned. So definitely come back and check who won. Good luck to all of you guys. I cannot wait to give this to one of you. All right, so now let's get into what I got for Christmas. So I think I'm gonna start out with what I got from my husband, Matt. It's still so weird to say my husband, like, we're actually married. So the first gift that Matt got me is this, and I am just so excited. If you know me, you'll know I'm literally the biggest Nana fan. I've been obsessed with this anime since I think I was like 16 or 17 years old. I'm now 27, so this obsession has been long-standing in my life. And for some reason, I've never actually owned a physical copy of the Nana manga. They're actually quite hard to come by these days because they don't print them anymore in English. There's a bunch of copies in Japanese and other languages, but they're quite rare in English. So he got me the first copy and the second copy just so that I can start my little collection. I'm so excited to read it in a physical copy because I've only read it online. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a good shoujo anime or manga to read / watch, then Nana is the one to go for. Next up, he got me a face cream. I mentioned that I really wanted a good anti-aging face cream. I feel like as your girl's getting a little bit older now, I'm starting to notice I'm getting quite a lot of little lines, like very, very fine lines under my eyes, and I'm getting a little bit stressed about it. So he got me this. This is the Rituals Anti-Aging Night Cream. First of all, the packaging is stunning. I'm such a huge fan of the Rituals brand. I just love it so much. I love their sakura scents. This is the packaging. It looks and feels very premium. It's got like a marble kind of bottom to it. This is what the cream looks like. It's very, very thick and moisturizing, which is perfect for nighttime. It smells so good. I can't even explain how this smells to you guys, but it smells really good. So yeah, that's the second gift he got me. The next present that I got from Matt was a home bird. This is basically a clear suction cup bird feeder that you can attach to your window. This is kind of like a joint gift for me, but also for my cat Sky, because as soon as the birds are gonna actually start using this, she's just gonna love looking at them all day long. This is what the bird feeder actually looks like. If you guys are interested, I'm pretty sure he said he got it from Amazon, but it's very slick. I really love it. He also did get me the bird seeds for this bird feeder, so I'm so excited. We have so many birds around here where we live, and there's a lot of robins. So I can't wait for the birds to actually start finding it and using it, and I'll definitely be posting some stories on my Instagram. The next present that Matt got me was a board game, and I'm so excited because I love this board game. I've only recently been introduced to board games like this. Literally a couple of months ago, the only board games I really knew was like Monopoly, Uno, which isn't even a board game, but you know what I mean, just like the generic kind of games. But Matt and I have started going to Games Night, which is basically hosted at like this game shop where they sell a bunch of board games, and it's so much fun. We're getting to meet loads of new people. So he got me Cascadia, which is a tiling kind of game. This is what it looks like on the back. But the thing is, we noticed afterwards that he got me the German version by accident. Apparently on Amazon, they only stock the German version, which he had no clue. He just saw Cascadia and thought that was fine. So all of the instructions on the cards are sadly in German, but luckily we already know how to play it, so it's fine. Now, my main present from Matt, I had no clue he was gonna get this for me. I was so surprised. It was this Acer tree. If you guys watched my house tour, which I'll link in the eye, you guys might have seen the segment where I show you my little Japanese garden. Over the last year, I've been collecting a bunch of Japanese maples, and I've just fallen in love with gardening. I love my Acers so much. I've managed to accumulate quite a large collection recently, and honestly, I'm just so excited because there's so many different varieties of Japanese maples. They're so beautiful. Their leaves are different colors, and they change throughout the season. So honestly, it's like the best tree to have. So he got me this one, which should look something like this with leaves, just to give you guys an idea. But yeah, I'm so excited about it. I just cannot wait for spring when all the leaves start coming through. And now for my stocking, we always get like a little few bits for each other in the stocking, and he got me this chocolate, which I love. It's from a brand called Dirty Cow, and it's a vegan chocolate. He also got me another chocolate bar from Love Raw, which I love, and you best believe it's already gone. All right, so now moving on to what I got from my parents. I literally told them, please don't get me anything, like just maybe limit it to one thing. They always just go so overboard. I feel like they had some self-control this year, but still, they just got me way too much. I'm so grateful. The first item they got me is this candle. I think my mum said this was from TK Maxx. I love TK Maxx for their candles, honestly, best thing ever. It smells very musky, and I actually have no idea what scent this is, but it looks really nice. I absolutely love the packaging, so I can't wait to put that in my house. I've then got this cute little box. How adorable is the packaging, first of all? And in here was a couple of different things. So first up, they got me a Mario Badescu hydrating overnight mask with peptides. I've been using Mario Badescu since I was a teenager. I used to use their drying lotion like way before it was viral. So yeah, can't wait to try this. They also got me this, which is from a brand called Kate Somerville. It's also an anti-aging retinol kind of serum treatment. This is what it looks like. I've actually not heard of this brand, but I can't wait to try it. I am so up for trying all the anti-aging skincare right now. And lastly, in this box, I also received the new Paco Rabanne Olympia perfume, which honestly smells so good. I cannot get over how good this smells. It's such a sweet scent, very like floral and a little bit fruity, which is my perfect scent. Also, the bottle is so beautiful. This is like the newest variation, which is so stunning. Next up, my parents also got me 2 different board games because they know that me and Matt are just obsessed with board games right now. So the first one is Azul Queen's Garden. I am just so excited for this because I've been wanting this game for ages. It's again a tiling game, but this time you have to like match colors to certain things. To be honest, I'm not very good at explaining board games, but basically the gist of it is that you select tiles with the same pattern or same color, and then you decorate or extend your garden and then score points by creating some really cool designs. It's a 4-player game, so I cannot wait to play this over this festive period with my friends and family. And then as a joint present for Matt and I, they also got us Ticket to Ride Europe, which is honestly such a fun game. It's a little bit longer. I would compare this to like maybe Monopoly, but like a modern version of it. There's also a sense of claiming territories and claiming different things, but instead you're trying to claim train routes. You get cards that basically tell you need to get from A to B, and you pretty much have to put your trains down to get there. This game is literally a classic. I absolutely love it. I think it's fun for the whole family, no matter what age you are. Now, the next gift I got from my parents is probably the softest loungewear set. It is kind of like a Borg fleece with a zipper, and I just love the color. My mom knows me so well. She knows I just love living in stuff like this. In case you guys are wondering, this is from a brand called the Winter Warmer Collection. I've never heard of this brand, but that's what it is in case you wanted to get it for yourself. So that's the little fleece, and then it also comes with a matching pair of joggers, which literally look so cozy. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of my life indoors. This is just such a lovely, soft kind of loungewear set to wear inside. And it's even got pockets, so that is so good. Now, the next thing that my parents got me is a little bit more of like a traditional thing they always get for me every single year, and that is a whole bag of sweets and chocolate. I'm definitely gonna be putting on a few pounds after this because there's just so much sweets in here. There's things like this, which are caramelized biscuit truffles. I think these were from Aldi or Lidl. They got me a bunch of chocolates. This is my favorite chocolate from Lindt. It's the vegan salted caramel one. They also got me a couple of chocolates like this. They got me some shortbread biscuits. These are gonna be going right down. It's basically just a whole bag of sweets and things that I really, really like, which is so thoughtful of them. They've literally done this for me every single year since I was a kid. And now the last present that I got from my parents, which was literally so unexpected. I had no clue, again, that they were getting this for me. It is another Acer! The funniest thing is that Matt and my parents never communicated that they were both gonna get me an Acer tree, and luckily they didn't get the same one, and somehow they managed to get two completely different ones, so that's great. But yeah, they didn't even ever tell each other they were getting the same thing. I mean, I'm not complaining because I literally love Acer trees, and it's one of those gifts that I feel like will never get old. I'll always remember these gifts. I'll always remember that this was from my parents and one from Matt. I feel like a living gift is just so special because you know you're gonna have it forever, and obviously as long as you take care of it. But I feel like it's one of those gifts that's super special because it's not just gonna go in a drawer forgotten. It's always gonna be there, and I'm always gonna get to look at it. The variety of Japanese maple that my parents ended up getting me is the Sumi Nagashi, which is so gorgeous. It has like super red, bright leaves. Obviously the color does change throughout the season, but I just cannot wait till spring. I'm sure I'm gonna update you guys on my Instagram again what they look like when they come into bloom. Now moving on to what I got from my sister-in-law and her fiance. They got me another manga, which I actually asked for this. They were like, what do you want? I said, well, just get me a manga because I know I'm gonna read this and I'm gonna love it. This manga is called Platinum End, and it's by the creators of Death Note, which is another favorite anime of mine. It looks super cool. I love the artwork. Obviously you can tell that it's by the creators of Death Note because the artwork just looks so similar. I mean, look at it. Does that not look like L? I am loving it already. And then the second thing they got me is a subscription to Crunchyroll, so I cannot wait to literally binge watch all the anime. All right, so now moving on to what I got from my mother-in-law and Matt's younger brother. They got me a couple of different things in this cute little bag. First up, we have some of my favorite vegan chocolates from the brand called Buja Buja, and these are chocolate orange. I'm so excited to just nom these down. They then got me this cute little set of hand creams. How adorable is the packaging? Next up, they got me a pair of sock slippers, which have kitties all over them. I love cats, and yeah, I cannot wait to wear these. They're gonna be so snuggly. They then got me this, which is from a brand called Scented Serenity, and it's basically a set of wax melts. Seriously, as soon as I opened this, I was like, wow, the smell is so strong. I'm honestly obsessed. And look how cute the wax melts are. They're like in a shape of little flowers. The scents are Christmassy, so we have 5 evergreen like pine looking smells. We've got candy cane, apple and cinnamon, and gingerbread. So literally this box smells like Christmas. Cannot wait to burn these. My house is gonna smell so nice. And the last gift that I got from them is another Acer tree. This one is so adorable, and it's one of my favorite varieties. It's the Pink Tailor, and the reason why it's super special is because it's like really, really light pink in spring. The leaf of this particular variety is variegated, meaning that it actually has a different like color on the inside versus the border of the leaf. So it just looks super stunning throughout all the seasons. I love it so much. This is exactly what I meant at the start of the video. I feel like these videos really get to show you guys what kind of interests I have on and off camera. Obviously, you guys already know that I love fashion and beauty, but there's so many other things that I really enjoy that I don't really get to share with you guys. Next up, I actually got a little gift from one of my friends called Laura. She actually got us this game, which has honestly been a blast. It's called The Bears and the Bees, and it's pretty much a tiling game like this. You pretty much lay down these tiles that have to connect by color to each other. So it's kind of like Uno, but in a slightly different mechanic. If you enjoy Uno, this is like a spicier version of that. It's just way better. I absolutely love this. This is a 2 to 5 player game, but we have played it with like 8 or 9 people and it worked perfectly fine. So it's great for groups and parties. Now, the last thing that I got for Christmas is something from my uncle for the house. The first thing he got us is this gorgeous cutting board. I'm obsessed with this. This is made from acacia wood, so it's super durable and I absolutely love the color. I cannot wait for our house to be built and actually be able to like lay this out in the kitchen. And the other thing he got us is this black bread bin, which is so stunning. I love how big it is. I'm gonna fit so much bread in here. I absolutely love the black and the wood together. It just looks so good. But then it also comes with other things inside. It also comes with the utensil holder, which looks like this. It's all like one set. And then it also comes with this, which is a canister for tea, coffee, and sugar, all part of the same collection. Again, I'm so excited. Cannot wait. This is gonna fit so well in our kitchen because we're hoping to get a matte black kitchen in the house. Spoiler alert. So yeah, I'm really happy with both of these gifts from my uncle. All right, guys, so that is everything that I got for Christmas 2023. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm still carrying on this like tradition to do it every year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got to see what I got for Christmas. I'm sure you guys love being nosy just like I am, so definitely comment down below what's your favorite thing that you received for Christmas this year. As always, I am super grateful for everything that I received. I've been spoiled rotten, and honestly I did not expect it because I've told everybody to keep it so down low this Christmas. Also, don't forget to enter the giveaway if you guys haven't already, if you want to, you know, have a chance to win all those Charlotte Tilbury products. Like I said, all you have to do is just comment down below with a username to your social media like Twitter or Instagram so that if you are the winner, I can contact you. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video and spending yet another year with me on this channel. I hope you're all doing well and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.